I'm gonna go get another ice cream cone. Good morning, we just woke up, came out onto the veranda, and Castaway Cay is right there. So, pro tip, if you are wanting a great shot from your veranda on Castaway Cay once the ship is ported, get on the starboard side. So we're on the starboard side of the ship, ship's facing that way, Castaway Cay, pro tip.
I'm so excited to go on the island. I love this island, I think it's amazing. Everything's included, like the food and the normal beverages that are included on a cruise ship. And I think we might do a little snorkeling.
And we got a little show on how they lower lifeboats.
Yeah.
The one right below our veranda, they're practicing on right now. That's fun. I think we need to get changed and are we gonna do breakfast or are we gonna go eat at Cook's on the island?
Well, we're gonna eat there, but that's not available till like 11:30.
We have disembarked onto the pier, heading towards Castaway Cay. It is actually 11, a few minutes till 11. We slept in, we got breakfast, it was wonderful. We actually took some photos of all of the pools with nobody in them because everybody else is on the island. It was lovely. Okay, this is exciting. I love this place. So, oh no, there's a sign that says Bob Chapek Master Shipbuilder. Did you see that?
Huh? I know, I saw that.
So it is about a 15-minute walk from the ship all the way out here, especially stopping and getting pictures. It turns into a half-hour walk pretty quick. Jennings apparently found the gift shop. The first one. What do you think? What are we doing?
Jennings is desperately wanting to go snorkeling, so he wants to find the snorkel gear so that we can do that.
It's really hot.
You want to get in the water?
Yeah.
All right, where do we go?
I'm not snorkeling. Do we go that way for snorkel?
So here's the Stingray Adventure. There are a bunch of stingrays swimming back in there. Not sure how much it is, but this would be an added cost to Castaway Cay. Pretty cool though. We stopped by and we picked up some snorkel gear. Do you know how much that is normally?
I do not know.
So it was included in our package, but you can rent snorkel gear here, and then all of the lagoon areas out there are marked, all of like the statues and everything are marked with buoys, and so there's orange and white buoys. So I guess you just go out there and swim towards it. We've never snorkeled here before, but it sounds pretty cool. Woohoo!
If you feel like you need to blow this up, you can push it down and blow into it. But if you don't feel like you need to and you can just swim,
Ready to go see what's out here?
let's do it.
We have never snorkeled at Castaway Cay before. If you walk backwards, it's easier. Come on, Aiden, you can do this! Lee's Barbecue, and it is self-serve here. So they've got all kinds of hamburgers, hot dogs, ribs, like jerk chicken, salmon, and pulled pork sandwiches, and then sides and salads and fruit and stuff. There she is.
Hello.
What do you think?
So I just bit into like a couple of pieces of fruit and this yummy macaroni salad, and I got like a brisket sandwich and some chicken. Anyway, I'm looking forward to this.
It's not the best. With the quality of the Disney food on the Wish, this is kind of a letdown. Everything's pretty much overcooked. I mean, it tastes good, it's just that it's all overcooked. The salmon, the chicken, the pork, the ribs, all of it. So. But there's plenty of all-you-can-eat ice cream.
Yes, there is.
I'm gonna go get another ice cream cone. We are wrapping up our day here at Castaway Cay. It is 2:08 p.m. Everybody has to be back on the ship by 4:45.
I feel like I need a nap after the snorkeling that we did.
The snorkeling really took it out of us. There was a lot of finning and kicking and stuff involved. And on a cruise ship, you don't really want any physical exertion of any kind, except maybe like just raising a glass or something. Like, I feel like that's where I'm at.
We have Marvel tonight. I am so excited. This is the thing that I've been waiting for ever since they announced the things that were going to be on the ship. Like, I cannot wait for this evening. I'm so excited.
Other than that, I think we've done pretty much everything. I mean, honestly, this has felt like a longer cruise than normal 3-night cruises. Usually 3-night cruises, I feel like I'm getting on and back off again, you know, very, very quickly. But this is, I feel like I've done a ton. Have you?
We've crammed so much into these 3 nights and these few days with just all of the exploring and the tours and the picture taking and the posting and all of that. We're back on this ship in a couple of weeks, and I'm looking forward for that cruise to just be like,
actually enjoy it?
Actually relaxing, yes. We've enjoyed this one. It's just...
Yeah, I mean, we knew this was going to be a work trip, and it's been a work trip for sure, but we have tons of content. I mean, tons of pictures, and we will definitely make good use of it. So, you ready to get some ice cream and head back to the boat?
Oh my gosh. If you come, get the strawberry banana swirl. It is so good.
Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
So excited. I am so excited.
Are you ready for Marvel? Are you ready for Marvel?
They're already in here.
Hello.
Good evening, welcome.
Thank you. We have made it to Marvel.
That's what I've been waiting for.
They brought out a red, white, and blue bread basket. So, like, this is a red roll, which I think is just food coloring for a normal, like, wheat roll. But it's got a tomato dipping, like a tomato cream dipping sauce.
Like tomato red pepper.
I ordered 4 appetizers and 2 entrees. Everything looked so good, and that was showing restraint, to be honest with you.
Getting underway in just 5 minutes.
Miracles from molecules.
You might know me as Ant-Man.
And I am Hope Van Dyne, the Wasp.
Look, before we start, let me address the elephant in the room. I've heard a lot of chatter out there asking why I didn't shrink down, go in, and kill Thanos in a really creative way. 3, 2, 1, activate!
I already cheered. Yay! Good show.
Good show. So now they're just showing Avengers clips right now.
Yeah.
All right. That is the salmon, and then I also got the fried shrimp.
I got the Balma and the ceviche.
I also got the wedge, which
It's kind of whatever. I'm not a huge fan of the pasta.
gnocchi.
Okay. So I got the pasta with scallops. I feel like it was really good. The pasta part's not like super impressive. Like it's not anything like to write home about, but the scallops are very well done. Gnocchi. Nope.
It's not very good. So far, it's a cool restaurant. It's a little bit gimmicky. The food is actually below what the other two restaurants were. The steak was actually pretty flavorful. The rest of everything was okay.
I got the gnocchi and it was...
Yeah, it wasn't good. So that's it. It was a fun show. Food was and
But Ant-Man and Wasp came out, so that made my whole night.
that's true. I mean, we got to see Ant-Man and the Wasp walk through, and then I really didn't hear everything they were saying, but they somebody walked out with a big donut and like a big human-sized donut and a big Mickey bar.
Ice cream bar.
Oh, there they are, right there. And just like that, we are back at Port Canaveral. It is always sad to disembark the ship.
Womp womp, but we'll be back on just a few
Yep.
short days.
We'll be back. It was fun. It was a great cruise.
It was incredible.
Very few complaints. A lot of really cool aspects. This is a ship that we'll definitely be back on multiple times.
For sure.
We will see you on the next video.